Question 1 you want to discuss? Okay, let's discuss the first. Now, the author of the passage supports which of the following observations about the rational choice theory? Now tell me, what does he support? Tell me. Is it about we are manipulated? Easily manipulated about the rational choice theory? Or is it about, what is it about? Who will tell me? Students? A critique of the proliferation. What do you mean by proliferation? Who will tell me what is the meaning of proliferation? What is the meaning of proliferation?
Breakdown into pieces. Breakdown into pieces.
क्या बोलते हैं? Proliferation क्या होता है? Speak again.
To break down into pieces, basically a multiplication, as we were saying.
Correct. A plethora of too many choices, and then we end up feeling overwhelmed, right? So when you look at this passage, always remember one thing, and I think you note it down, guys. जब भी options check करोगे ना, तो verb check करना सारे options का. Verb, look for verbs, क्योंकि verbs के इर्द-गिर्द, verb is the pivot of every sentence. What do I mean when I say verb is the pivot of every sentence? What do I mean? When I say verb is the pivot of every sentence, look for verbs. What are verbs? Do I take your grammar classes? What are verbs? Who will tell me? Check this out. Here it is manipulated. Now tell me, ये verb मुझे दिखा ना इधर, manipulated. Guys, ये manipulated की बात कर रहा है. Manipulation मतलब कोई हमें खास तौर से फंसा रहा है. Is it about फंसाना कि आदमी खुद फंस रहा है? Rational choice theory के बारे में. Rational choice theory क्या होता है? Man is always able to make the right choice, है ना? But the problem is the market itself restricts our choices. Market ऐसी है कि multiplicity of choices के कारण हम choose नहीं कर पा रहे as much as it enables them. Multiplicity of choices से ये होता है कि हमारे पास बहुत सारे choices हैं, लेकिन paradox है too many choices but no choices that end up the right choice. I hope you get it. So, and this leaves us overwhelmed, meaning perpetual state of what? Feeling what? In a perpetual state of, here overwhelmed is taken in a negative tone or positive tone. Guys, overwhelmed is taken here in this option. Is it taken in a positive tone or negative tone? Here it is taken in a negative tone. Remember. लेकिन overwhelmed is neutral, क्योंकि कोई आपको बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करेंगे तो you will feel overwhelmed. मतलब आप उनके बहुत वो हो जाएंगे, आभार हो जाएंगे. आभार समझते हैं? आभार क्या होता है? You feel obliged. Now, okay, Akshit says, how does the market restrict a choice? See, market restricts a choice. I think Akshit, were you listening to the para 4 when I was talking about how the market restricts a choice? Tell me. Too many choices do what? Lead always. Achha, your net got disconnected. Guys, how does the market restrict the choices? Because too many choices let us do on the one hand and on the other hand. Remember that? सुना आपने, मैंने आपको बताया था ना, on the one hand क्या होता है? क्या होता है? Missed opportunities होता है, FOMO, और एक और होता है, वो क्या होता है? एक और क्या होता है? A realm of uncertainty. ठीक है? Therefore, yeah. So this should be the answer. Flummoxed मतलब क्या होता है? Guys, flummoxed means puzzled. Puzzled होता है. ठीक है? So I think the answer is very clear. Now, second para, on the one hand, on the other hand, ये तो समझ में आ गया? Chad, give me the answer for the second para. आपको सब कुछ समझ में आ जाना चाहिए. On the one hand is talking about overabundance. On the other hand, क्या बोलते हैं? the unpleasant consequences of performing. Is it clear? Is this clear? Tell me yes or no. I think हो जाएगा. I think हो जाए, मतलब इतना clearly पैसेज समझा दिया है. थर्ड इज ओके. थर्ड समझ में आया कि एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा? इतना आसान चीज है गाइस. ए सुपरमार्केट में 40,000 आइटम्स है. ओवरलोड है कि नहीं है? ओवरलोड है. Is this clear, guys? What about the fourth one? Why does he mention the poor? Because how limited the choices are for some and how aggravated. Limited choices किसके लिए है? किसके लिए रेफर कर रहा है guys? Limited choices किसके लिए है? Why how limited the? हाँ, अमीर के लिए कि गरीब के लिए? पुअर के लिए.
Sir, poor.
वेरी गुड. देखो, अगर आपने पैसेज समझा है तो कितनी आसानी से सॉल्व होती है. एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग गाइस? टेल मी, ऑनेस्टली टेल मी. अभी मैंने पैसेज आपको एक्सप्लेन किया तो ऑप्शंस आपको समझ में आ जाती होगी ना. लास्ट पैरा मैंने बताया था ना, इज द पर्पस ऑफ द पैरा. क्या बोला था हमने? इफ वी अंडरस्टैंड आवर फॉइबल्स. फॉइबल्स मतलब आवर वीकनेसेस and learn to choose more self-consciously, each of us will do a lot better making up our minds. Matlab, we will come out of this state of kya? Perpetual? Jaldi batao. Come out of the state of perpetual anxiety. Wonderful. Varun, did you understand the passage or not? Tell me yes or no. Chalo. Guys, you will do the second passage now. I have how many minutes? Yes, I have enough time. Yes, please do the second passage. All of you, right? All of you do the second passage. Have I taken syllogisms and connectives and critical reasoning for you? B4 and B6. अच्छा, not CR. CR नहीं लिया आप लोगों को? ठीक है. अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है ठीक है. Complete this handout, this class. I hope you are able to crack it. आज देख सकते हैं. अब आज देख. सुनिए, आज देख सकते हैं. बाबू कितना बजे? कल कितना बजे? 10 से 10 से 1 से 2. बच्चे मेरे शोर को भी. Students, is this an easier passage than the earlier one? Hello? Have you
Excuse me, sir.
completed it? Yeah, Varun, tell me.
So I have a question, sir. Abhi recently we did the meaning of the proliferation, and I told you the meaning of the proliferation is that breaking into the pieces. And someone said the multiplication. So is it breaking into pieces by a division, or is it multiplication?
No, no,
Because
no.
both are the different things.
Absolutely. See, I will tell you, in India, right now, there is a proliferation of black and white fungus cases. Tell me.
Yeah. So it is
Is it
multiplying.
division or multiplication? There
It
is in
it
India
is a
right now, we are witnessing a proliferation of black fungus cases, both white and black. It means not white and black, black and yellow. It means what? क्या है?
It is a multiplication.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Okay. So I was wrong, right?
Yes, Varun, you were wrong. Did you say
Okay,
division?
okay. Thank you.
No problem.
No, yeah. Breaking
problem.
into the pieces, so I was wrong.
No. Yeah, that is wrong. It's
Thank
not breaking into, it is multiplication. ठीक है? Multiply. चलो, continue. Guys, एक काम करेंगे. Have you done this paragraph or not? This passage? Tell me honestly. You're still doing, so take your time to do it. Take your time to do this. First para is complete. Chalo. Day, it is up to you, right? I had told in the first class itself, it is up to you. Okay? What makes you comfortable? And that comfort level you will only understand with practice. Is that clear? Oh, students, will you do one thing, all of you? Will you solve this passage and show me in the next class? Tell me yes or no. Guys, so this, who will remind, one of you will remind me that next class, whatever class I'm taking, we will start by solving the English August. Is that clear to you? One of you will remind me that next class, whatever I'm taking, you will remind me to start with the English August. So, but that, for that you have to solve it completely. Puri summary, shamri sab nikalna. Is that okay? I hope you had a great class today. Saqib, you will have to talk to me after this, right? Wonderful. Any doubts, any questions you would like to ask me, you are free to ask me now. Students, any doubts, anything unrelated, or I mean related, obviously you can ask me now. Okay? Anything. Oh. Anything. Arohi. What's up? Okay. Right. Vishal, you want to ask, is that clear, Arohi? Good.
Oh.
Yes, welcome. Anyone, any doubts? Yes, please.
Actually, I want to ask something.
Yeah, what's your name? First, give me your name always.
So, Chehek.
Oh yeah, hi Chehek. Tell me, what's up?
So actually, my senior has given me a site जिस पे काफी RCA questions है, like बहुत diverse fields है. So should I go for that or should I go for the Times Material Source?
मेरे को वो लिंक भेज दोगी आप?
So I don't have your number.
ठीक है, just a moment. Let me connect. One second, hold on. Let me see. Yeah. One second, huh? Let me see. I'll let you know, Saqib. I'll let you know. Oh, my number is incomplete. What's your name, Chehek? Just send me a text, Chehek.
Okay, so sending.
Quickly. You got it?
Not yet, sir.
Is not yet?
No.
1 second. Send me your batch number and your name. Is that clear? Did you get it? Yes.
Yes, sir, I got it now.
Wonderful, wonderful. Right, guys? Anything else, students? All right then. Shall we call it a day?